Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today's video is going to be super interesting because I have an awesome budget device to show you all. This is a very cheap and super useful product that I feel everybody should try. It's the cheapest 4K Android TV box that comes with a whole lot of features. It runs on the newest Android 8.1 Oreo, has a quad-core CPU, 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM and costs only around 2000 rupees. And the model is A8. The Alfawise A8 comes in this sort of simple box packing. Over here you've got some info regarding the product. So as I've told you, it's got 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage and runs on Android 8.1. That's it, there's nothing else written on it, so let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank GearBest for sending me this product for review. Okay, on opening the box, we've got the Alfawise A8 4K TV box at the top. Let me just take it out. Feels quite light in the hand. We'll check it out in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You get an AC power adapter for the TV box, a free HDMI cable, remote control, looks just like any other ordinary remote. It's got a lot of buttons and the quality of the buttons is also nice. This remote runs on 2 AAA batteries. Let me just open the battery compartment and show you. And finally, there's a user manual in the box. Make sure to read it for all the info on the product. So these were all the items you got in the package. Now let's check out the Alfawise A8 4K Android TV box. It comes nicely packed in this foam wrap. Let me take it out of the cover. So here it is, our Alfawise A8 TV box. Nice, it looks of good quality. It doesn't look cheap from any angle. The build quality is decent for the price. You've got the Alfawise logo and says Android 8.1 at the bottom. It's got a matte black finish with silver linings all around it. I like the design on this box. It's simple and decent. You've got a power LED indicator on the front, and on the right side it has a SD card slot and 3 USB 2.0 ports. At the back side you have a 4th USB port, an SPDIF out, an AV out, a HDMI port, a LAN port and a DC power in. And there's nothing on the left side. Let's check out the bottom part. At the bottom you got rubber foot pads on all the corners, some info regarding the product and lots of vents to let the heat escape. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality of this product. Now what I'll do is I'll just connect it to my TV and show you the interface and all of its features. Okay guys, so I've connected the TV box to my 4K TV. It's booting up right now. I have been using this TV box since a few days, so in this video I'll show you all of its features and share my experience on this product. Okay, so the TV box has finally booted up and this is how the home screen looks on it. It's got a nice UI, the interface looks clean and simple to use. On the home screen you've got shortcuts to some apps. You can even add or remove them as per your choice. On the top left you've got the voice search feature. And on the right it shows you the date and time and the Wi-Fi status. Now before I show you all of its apps, let's check out the settings on it. So this is how the settings page looks like. It looks similar to the settings app on Android phones. You've got network settings, sound, display, inputs and apps. This is where you can uninstall all the downloaded apps. Let's check out the storage. As you can see, it's got 16GB of internal storage. I've already installed a few apps and games on it and still left with 9.5GB of free space. Out of the box you get around 11 to 12GB of usable space. So that was about the storage. Now let me show you the about phone. The model is A8 TV box, has 2GB RAM, runs on Android 8.1 Oreo and has April 2018 security patch. So that was about the TV box details. Apart from that, you've got general settings like language, date and time, location and accounts. That's it guys, those were all of its settings. This TV box comes with a lot of pre-installed apps like YouTube, Netflix. There's also a new app called Aptoide TV, which is just like another app store. And you've also got Google Play Store here. So using Play Store, you can download and install any kind of app or games. I've tried a lot of apps on it and didn't face any sort of issues so far. Let me also show you that new Aptoide TV store. Now this app has a lot of apps which are also available on Google Play Store, but the apps over here have UI that's designed for TVs. Like you've got YouTube for TV, Netflix for TV and a lot more. Now let me show you all the apps in the app drawer. It's got all those basic apps that you get on your Android phones, nothing special over here. Now talking about benchmarks, I've installed Geekbench 4 on it and ran benchmarks. It got a single core score of 343 and a multi-core score of 724. It's not that great score. This TV box has a Rockchip 3229 quad-core CPU clocked at 1.5 GHz and a Mali 400MP GPU. The Alfawise A8 is okay for normal use. You can use it for watching 4K videos, streaming movies and simple day-to-day tasks, but it's not made for gaming. You can only play some simple games, but not graphic-intensive games like Asphalt 8 or PUBG. Now let me show you how the YouTube app looks on it. So this is how YouTube looks like. It's got the latest interface and looks very nice. Let me just play a video and show you the interface. So as you can see guys, this is how the UI looks on it. You can not only play pause the video, but you can also adjust the video quality. This TV box supports video resolutions up to 4K and right now it's playing in 1080p. This TV box plays YouTube videos smoothly. The Wi-Fi connection was also stable and I didn't have any buffering problems. One more awesome feature is it also has screen mirroring. Let me show you how to use that. You just need to open this Wi-Fi display app and connect to any of your smartphone. Let me just connect it to my Galaxy S9 Plus. There you go, we've successfully connected my phone to the TV box. It works fine, but I felt there was some delay while using it, and because of that it doesn't feel that smooth sometimes. Just check it out. Now it's time to put this 4K TV box to a test. Let's play a 4K video and see if it can play it smoothly. The 4K file that I'll be playing is on a pen drive guys, so let's play the video and see how it performs. So far so good, it can handle 4K videos and play them smoothly. Just check out this sample. So that was my review on the Alfawise A8 cheap Android TV box. It's a good TV box for the price. The build quality is nice, the UI is simple and good, it has Google Play Store so you can install lots of apps on it, and it can also play 4K videos. But keep in mind that the performance is not that good. If you have a lot of apps running in the background, then you'll definitely see some delay and lag while using it. Also, it's not that good for gaming. But for the price what you're paying, this TV box is offering a lot of features and you can definitely get it, especially if you're on a tight budget. It costs only around 2000 rupees and is available on GearBest. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.